SFA, did you know that 7.6 million animals enter animal shelters every year? Well, we know stress gets to you during finals week, so Puppy Palooza is coming to SFA.
Puppy Palooza is a fantastic event that benefits the Nacogdoches Animal Shelter. If you're in need of a study break, there's nothing more stress relieving than getting to play with puppies.
The Nacogdoches Animal Shelter helps countless pets around our community just like yours.
Approximately 2.7 million animals are adopted each year nationwide.
See all lumberjacks outside the rec center Wednesday, May 6th.
12 to 3 for an afternoon of fun. Axe 'em Jacks!